Hi from the Bureau. Significantly windy conditions across multiple states in the southeast with rain, snow and heavy seas to follow. A bumper up at the ski resorts with over a metre falling in some alpine locations. Satellite shows a deep low south of the Bight, exhibiting an unusual northeast to southwest tilt. An unusual pattern makes for unusual weather and goes a fair way to explain the extremely vigorous airstream over southern Australia. Showers and storms over the southeast are embedded within this flow. Severe warnings are current for South Australia, New South Wales, Victoria and the ACT for damaging winds. Wind risk affects a wide area but will be greater over elevated terrain. Downslope winds along the New South Wales Great Divide will pick up markedly tonight, possibly affecting places like Wollongong, the Western Sydney Basin and Newcastle. Wind damage in South Australia and falls up to 44 millimetres in the Mount Lofty Ranges have occurred. Rainfall expected over a wide area. Totals till Sunday broadly 1 to 5 millimetres expected over the southern agricultural areas, grading up to 40 to 50 millimetres over the Mount Lofty Ranges and exposed southern coasts. In the southeast, 5 to 10 millimetres increasing to 15 to 35 millimetres over the New South Wales western slopes and central Victoria and Tasmania. Totals of up to 40 to 70 millimetres about alpine areas. Numerous multi-state flood watches and warnings are current, as already saturated catchments await the forecast rainfall. Large and dangerous surf combined with abnormally high tides with significant beach erosion is likely. Possible damage to beachside buildings and property and flooding of low-lying areas is possible. Seas exceeding 8 metres will affect exposed locations of South Australia today, something only expected about once per year in South Australia. Elevated sea levels will persist over the southeast for a few days, especially in eastern Port Phillip Bay. Snow levels plummet as low as 600 metres on Saturday over the southeast, grading to 1200 metres further north. Accumulations until Sunday of 60 to 80 centimetres over Victorian resorts and over 1 metre in New South Wales resorts. Coupled with windy conditions, blizzards are likely on the Alps from tonight. Snow also to fall over the central tablelands and possibly the northern tablelands of New South Wales. Higher locations such as Guyra and Glen Innes may see light flurries. It will be short-lived, clearing Sunday. Cold air bypasses Tasmania with snow only on the state's highest peaks. Know your weather, know your risk. For the latest forecast and warnings, see our website, social media and app.